One unique feature I've always enjoyed when using Microsoft Bing is the Bing chat. It allows you to have access to GPT model by simply providing you useful information on this section of your tab and then also giving you search results in this section. But when you use Chrome, this side of the search bar is empty and unutilized or will only show information when it comes to company or individual profile, while in this section you get your regular search results. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Chat GPT on Google Chrome to customize and optimize for better search results. So to install Chat GPT for Google Chrome, come to this website, chatgptforgoogle.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description. This works for Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. To install for your browser, all you need to do is select in this section. So I'm going to select Chrome to add it for Chrome, and this is going to take you to the Chrome store. Come to this section and click Add to Chrome, and then click on Add Extension. And just like that, you have successfully downloaded ChatGPT for Google Chrome. Before you can use this tool properly, you will need to have an OpenAI account and be signed in. It is simple and free to create an account. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for free on OpenAI website, or you can use API to connect your OpenAI account to the extension. The next step is to go back to the search page and refresh the page. And you're going to get a ChatGPT tab to the right section of your browser. So you can either start a chat immediately and start asking it question of what you want it to do. But if you already do have an existing command, you can simply come here and click on enter. And then you're going to get the same prompt again. And then it's also going to provide you an output to what you want it to perform. So write a birthday letter for my mother, and it's already doing that in this section. So with this, you have access to search results and also provides you answer directly from GPT. But you're not just restricted to this. You can also use the GPT-4 model, and you can also customize it whichever way you want. So simply come to this section where you see the setting button and click on this. This is going to take you to the setting page. So here you'll be able to select the trigger mode. Always when you perform any query search on Google, question mark when you leave a question mark at the end of your query, and then manually where you summon ChatGPT by clicking on the button. You can also select the theme you want, whether light or dark. In this section you can select the language, and then if you scroll down to the API provider, you can see that you can use GPT-4 if available, and you can also use the OpenAI API by simply coming to this section and pasting in your OpenAI API code. So with this, you have access to GPT-4 or whichever subscription you have running on OpenAI. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe and have that post notification bell turned on, and do not forget to smash on that like button. I hope to see you guys in my next video. You can also check out my other video on how to install ChatGPT for Google Doc, and how you can also install ChatGPT for Google Sheets.